Being charged with a domestic violence crime is no laughing matter. These days, prosecutors, law enforcement officers, and judges take these cases very seriously. In 2014, the Massachusetts legislature changed the domestic violence laws in the wake of the Jared Remy case, where Jerry Remy's son was charged and convicted of murdering his girlfriend and his child's mother. Every day in Massachusetts, prosecutors are asking for higher cash bails and dangerousness hearings, whereby the accused is held for up to 120 days while awaiting trial. My name is Paul Moraski, and I can help you navigate the minefield of being charged with a domestic violence crime. The best defense in these cases is a good offense. Oftentimes, innocent people get caught in the crosshairs of an ex-girlfriend, an ex-spouse, or a family member with an axe to grind. The key to defending these cases is proper investigation, thorough cross-examination, and knowing your case inside and out. To discuss all the options in your case, give me a call on my personal cell phone at 978-397-0011 or visit me on my website at northofbostonlaw.com.